My name is Brent Weber, and I'm the maintenance supervisor at Ragland Brothers Company. We have several grocery stores in Alabama and Tennessee. Initially, the main problems we were having was some of the store personnel and the store managers would realize that there was a problem, but they would forget to call us and they would wait to see if something was in defrost. And sometimes they would forget, and then we had calls later on that could have been handled during the day. The problems that we were having with them not calling us and telling us about a problem right then and waiting was that sometimes they'd forget and we'd have problems with the cases going down at night after closing hours when nobody was there to double check on them to get them taken care of. We realized that we really needed to do something when we had several losses of product in a short period of time that cost us thousands of dollars. The OpSense installers were very helpful in setting this up and explaining to us how to use it. They were very quick and helpful in answering questions. Stu and Rob were the kind of guys that when you met them, it seems like you've been friends with them for a long time. They were real easygoing and explained things to us where we could understand it. One of the great benefits with this system is that as we were monitoring it, we could actually see on our telephones if something was in defrost when they did call us, or if we needed to make adjustments to the temperatures at different times. I would definitely recommend the system to anyone that needed to monitor temperatures in refrigerated cases. It makes it a lot easier on the people that maintain them to be able to see what the temperature is at any time so that they know whether or not there's a problem.